Carryboy Motorhome Slide Kitchen. On the side of our Carryboy Motorhomes, we would have a storage system which stores the sliding kitchen. And the keys to access the sliding kitchen, all you have to do is plug it in, turn it to the left, and turn the entire socket clockwise. And there will be two yellow buttons on the side. Just by pressing down on the buttons, the slide kitchen can easily be removed. At the top part of the sliding kitchen, there's two locks. Just by removing it, you can easily remove the sliding kitchen and set it out easily. There would also be another jack that could be set up at the bottom of the sliding kitchen to stabilize the entire kitchen. In each of the sliding kitchen, Carryboy provides our customers with gas tanks. Just by removing the cap and turning into the socket, you can easily lift it and then connect it at the bottom of the sliding kitchen. And just by connecting the gas tank, all you have to do is gently push down on a button, just like a normal kitchen stove. Continuing, we have the kitchen sink. There is a socket at the bottom for you to easily connect the water inlet into the kitchen sink. We have a black pipe for the wastewater system, which we would also provide another gallon for you to store the wastewater. Whilst keeping the entire sliding kitchen, just do the steps vice versa. Remove the jack, store it back into the storage system, and push down on the yellow buttons and slide the kitchen back into the socket. And on the side of the storage system, we have two electrical sockets for you to plug in your electrical appliances. While on the left hand side, we have another LED light to actually illuminate the storage system.